Snapchat pin conversation not working? Well, let me solve your problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if the Snapchat pin conversation option is not working. Now the process is quite simple. If you open up Snapchat here and head into chat here, if you tap and hold on particular chat here and at the here you'll find the option chat settings and you'll be able to pin conversation. Simply tap on pin conversation and it'll be unpinned. However, if you try and here if you head into chat settings again and if you try to pin conversation here, they'll be pinned, you can see. Now if this isn't working, what you want to do is you want to reset the app. You can unpin easily by heading into chat settings again and you can unpin them. Similarly, you can unpin it again here by heading into chat settings. Now if this isn't working, simply scroll down the notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps, and on the search bar what you want to do is search in for Snapchat. Now once you search in for Snapchat, scroll down and head into stories. Now this might happen due to glitch or a bug, so what you want to do is simply clear the app data. Simply tap on manage stories option here and you can see it'll ask you to delete app data. However, make sure, because it'll permanently delete your snaps and chats, your logins, settings, personal info, app activities, so make sure to back it up before doing so and simply tap on delete and it'll reset your app, and once you head back to Snapchat you'll be able to pin it again. So this way you can fix Snapchat pin conversation not working. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.